Hello guys, and welcome back. And today we are doing the lake house.
Yep.
And I'm here with Opal or Otter. So I want to ride the tractor. Alright. What that? Whatever that thing was behind you, it kind of, the sign above you kind of.
Campfire.
Campfire.
The campfire is still there.
But there's no sign of anyone here. We should look around more. Ooh, there's this book right here. There's this booklet. Someone's. Oh, it's a wallet, not a booklet. My bad.
Pick it up.
I don't know.
Check it. Wait, hold on.
Looks like someone dropped it by accident. Oh no.
Whoa.
Wallet. What is this? A shoe! Someone must have been in a hurry. I wonder what happened here. Over there, a smartphone. Where?
Oh, wait, where? Oh, I got it. Oh, wait, you grabbed it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Let's see if it works. Oh, it's dead.
Oh, I can break in.
The battery is dead. Oh.
Burn it!
A purse!
What?
I found someone's purse. Uh-oh. What was that? It doesn't seem like there's anything else here. Let's return to the vehicle. Run. Da-na-na-na-na, yeah, just run through the bushes. Like the crazy woman we are. Okay. Can I drive? Uh-oh! It looks like we can't leave. Gotta find Uncle's lake house on foot. Let's move before it gets darker. You're leaving me! Take him. Must be that way. Let's go.
We can't keep out on that time, yeah.
Oh. Well,
we could think it did.
oh hell no! Get me out of this place. Get me out of
Going
there.
in there.
Yeah, wait a minute. Let me go stun some animals real quick.
No.
Mailbox. Warning, private property. Keep out. Oh, but we don't got time to keep out. We don't got time to keep out. Oh. Ooh, look at that house. The lake house. Oh. Let's ring the doorbell. Ring, 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 ring.
I don't even know where you are.
You are.
Where am I, actually? Oh. I don't know where I am. Help.
Good question. Where are you?
Oh, wait. Are we going to that mark thing here? Okay.
Oh, why are you're like right under.
I was also moving while we had the thing on.
Oh, same. Don't worry.
How
was
did
like-
I end up there?
I don't know. I was like right here running into this wall.
Oh.
We should look around and find another way in. Why are we breaking in? Found a flashlight. The storage room. Close the door. Let's try to get into the storage room. This is breaking and entering. Of course it's locked. Why would he leave it open? There's a back door. Or there's a vent. Keys. I want keys. Jingle, jingle, jingle. Oh, what was that? Oh, be careful.
Help.
Keys. Why is there water all over the place?
What is that? Oh.
Down.
We're looking for ships and diamonds.
But what exactly happened here? Dot. Oh. There's damage on the floor. Deep grooves. That doesn't. Okay.
Yeah, because it looks more on the walls.
Let's start with that door. It's locked.
I can still look through.
Like every single door in this house is locked.
I don't like that.
Did Grandpa die? Did Grandpa die?
I hope not. You're supposed to look for a key.
Oh, I pray to God bro was not taking a dookie and then something just tore the door down. I'm so sorry, I had to. That's insane. What? There was some sort of trouble here. Oh my god, I'm trying to make this as dramatic as possible. Well, it looks like something was dragged across the floor. This place looks almost like someone got yanked inside. And they weren't careful about the entrance either.
I got a scanner.
You know what? I got a flashlight. Get flashbanged. Investigate the restroom! What is this?
Whoa, look at that.
What is... Wolves? Again? Again? I wonder if Uncle is out there somewhere. Yeah, I wonder if he's about to get... Yeah, I wonder if he's about to get jumped by a freaking pack of wolves. Shall we enter the room? No. Let's see what's there. What's here? What is that? What is what? All right, can we investigate this journal? What are we investigating? Oh, this painting. It looks weird. It looks like that. Oh. It looks like it's trying. Oh! Did it? I just moved. The fact that we both just got closer to it. that had me dying. Is that a key? No, yeah. No, that's a hammer. Let's grab the key. Yes. Uh-oh.
I tried to go down.
What was that? It sounds like the weather's getting worse. Did you not just see that green alien looking thing?
What am I doing? I just glitched.
There's water everywhere.
Watch this.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. I don't want to go down.
I do.
Oh, wait. Man.
Whoa.
Ooh, broke that block. Can I have this book? A book on mythical creatures. What drew Uncle into this? Ooh, there's a revolver. I want a gun. No. I want a pew pew. There's a note. Let me read it. The eye behind the glass sees more than it should. It watches when no one does. I sealed my...
You read it slow.
Fuck! I was so close. Okay, there's another note.
In the realms where silence hangs, seek the veiled truth. The window's frame conceals the secret.
Okay, what secret are we talking about?
I have no idea.
What are we inheriting?
Inheriting.
What are we inheriting? Yeah. Let me demonstrate something real quick. So this is how you walk, right here, okay? Right here. This is how to walk. This right here is the house. And this is the water. So that makes it a lake house. We're investigating.
Yeah, you won't stop moving.
Window equals painting. What does that mean? Is the window a painting? There's only one painting in the... Let me see. That was so delayed. Can I read? The anomaly in this lake, activated by the storm entities collecting people, must reach the boathouse at dawn before it's too late. The spare key lies hidden under the carpet, but near the painting. What if I do free fall?
Don't do it. Luna, get away from there.
But Opal.
No.
Opal! Oh, move the rug.
Don't move. You're gonna make me flash it off. Stop!
What is this? We're inspecting too many things. Chat, I can't. We need to turn the freaking lights on.
Leo.
Outside. I just want to be outside. Let me tell you why.
Shut up.
What is this? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that?
What is what?
Let's go outside to the stairs. Go to the side stairs. Go up these stairs.
Where even are you?
I don't know.
I'm following the checkpoint. Yo. I'm very unsafe.
I feel very unsafe. I feel unsafe.
What the hell? I'm wandering.
I feel unsafe right now. I don't even know where
You're not even there.
an abandoned boathouse.
Oh, wait. I'd assume it's gonna teleport you there. No?
Oh. Chat, I don't know where you
Don't make me
are.
going alone. I'm scared to find what I'm gonna see. I ain't going in there alone.
I'm in water. No, wait, come find me real quick.
Come find you?
Come find me.
I don't want to go in there alone.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you. Come find me.
Oh wait, it's Mark. Yes.
Oh, it won't. Flip! Okay, I'm here. I heard a scream and I don't want to come in. Inspect the boat. Can we start a fire?
Oh yeah.
What is this? What are we setting on fire? What are we setting on fire?
Another note. They come to the store.
He's never giving us a sign where he might be. Okay. Now, are we running?
Yep.
Help?
Oh, leave him there to die?
Wait. Chat. What are we running from exactly?
I don't know. You want to find out?
No, not really. My...
Can't even see anything.
Neither can I, but I'm curious. I want to know what we're running from. Quickly!
Oh, wow, we have to go back.
There's a weird door. Are you kidding me?
We're trying to get us killed.
Man, what the fuck? Oh, I mean, what the heck? Or do we make one of
We got a barricade, quick.
ending? Lake ending?
Lake ending.
Lake ending? A barricade ending?
What do we choose?
Barricade ending. I don't care. I don't care. I don't know. I don't know. What do you want?
I'm choosing the barricade ending, essentially.
I don't know what to choose. I'm just choosing the barricade ending. I feel like that's probably. I think it might help us be safer.
Oh shoot, they're timing those.
You're freaking. Okay, we gotta pick up all the links apparently. And no one's heroic. No one's heroic.
I can't even get this one link, dude.
Okay. That's what I'm saying.
You can't even get half of these. Oh wait, we got most of them. Oh my gosh, it's driving me off.
Exactly, bro. Only 2 planes.
What?
You're tripping. It only
We're dead.
allows you to use a certain amount of planes.
We're dead.
We're dead. We're so dead. And we can't even go in here. Trying to get me. Wait.
This? He's got you cornered. Don't
Okay.
move and he can't get you.
Oh my god. Backups.
I want you to try that, Dad.
Bro, if I don't look at him. If I don't look at him, I. Are you trying to. Can I run?
I got eaten.
I just made him run.
You got eaten.
I don't know where bro is. He's in the water. He's swimming like the real creature. Bro's a real boy.